the scenario on the thing to ask, right? Go to unmanaged scenario. This is mandatory, yeah? Ignore propagated annotation true, that annotation. Is it mandatory?
No, sir.
No, not mandatory, right? Okay. Next, go to after root view entity. For the same bit, next go to the projection view. Or directly the what is that? Projection view is not mandatory, right? For this, all the fields if you are taking. Next step is go for the metadata, right? Metadata. Scenario thing to ask, right? Metadata. Hello.
Sir, can you see my screen, sir?
Oh, I lost the net. I mean, power lost. Okay, now I can get back.
Mm-hmm.
No, I can see. Can go to that again.
Sure. This is my.
Metadata. Metadata.
Mm.
This I think all is this will be you can able to explain for them. I think right if they can ask anything here. All this is
Yes, sir.
position information and field names only, right? Here all
Yes, sir.
this is general info, identification reference, label, position 10. So out of this one, the text will come movement order information only. That is only one thing, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And face set, any meaning for face set? I don't know about that. Face set meaning is there any in
Yes,
UI?
sir. UI facet enables that pages to enter the value. It enables that fields to enter the value. It makes the screen to visible that a user can give the input in the particular field.
Is it
Mm. It is responsible for to make the fields, sir, in that white page. What we are seeing.
enable for give the input?
Sir,
To enable the field to give the input, input values by the user.
to make visible that field, sir.
Visible or enable also?
Sir, without facet we cannot see that field, sir. Without facet we cannot see the fields. You can only see the blank page.
Mm.
Mm.
So, like
So
whenever in our query we want to
it will
see the
enable the fields. It
sir.
will enable the fields and as well as it will enable the edit also.
Sir,
Sorry.
facet makes that the particular fields which we are adding in the metadata to visible in that object page, sir. That's it.
That's
To
all.
visible there, it gives it allocates some space with respect to our data element field.
Mm. Mm.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Actually, my doubt here is right.
Sir, sir.
There we are given the EI facet position 10 we are given.
Uh,
Below also we are giving the first one as a 10, right? Position. It will not overwrite.
Not
No?
No, sir. Sir. This is line item, and it is here. It will be at the header level, sir.
Oh, okay.
Mm,
Okay. Item label this one 10.
mm.
Identification, position. It's like how you go 10, 20, 30 in right side in the
Yes,
web.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
I don't think so. We can expect any question from here. Go down. We can tell that this is the output defining the output format. Simple, right?
Mm.
Output format. Next, go to behavior definition.
Yes, sir. Behavior definition.
That unmanaged implementation in class system generated all this, right? This all this is keywords,
Ah,
right?
yes, sir. It is template
What is
provided
the
by
meaning of that stick top to? Did any one of you explore? What is stick top to?
Yes, sir. Strict. In previous version, it is strict one, and strict to enables that all queries which we have written must be compatible with each other. What we are
Hmm.
writing with.
Hmm. If possible, can you write that comment there, Tarun? Write that
Okay, sir.
comment there. Clear only.
Mm, sir.
Hmm. Strictly check the syntax and system checks on compatible issues. Huh?
Yes, that's what I have explored. But there is also in depth. It also behaves like in different versions, sir. And I have read it blog documentation in SAP community regarding that.
Hmm. Which one? What is strict?
I will post in our group, sir.
Hmm.
Give that link in
And
the group.
this log master, authorization master will do what exactly this one? Did you try
That
to
this
explore
lock
this one?
master and e-tag master are used to replicate a single object. What we say, editing. A single object is editing by different
Hmm.
persons, right? So it
Hmm.
restricts them to editing.
So this log master and authorization master,
Authorization
authorization.
master. So what I don't know about authorization master, but I think whether the particular instance with particular user who is using that particular data is will be
Hmm.
authorized first and before getting the data. What I'm thinking, but
Maybe
I
you
should
can write
explore
that
that also.
comments for log master. Log master, I write that comment
Mm,
to log the not to edit the same time more than one person, like a log object.
yes, sir.
Within that braces, whatever we are giving you, it's like log object. Within that braces, whatever we are giving, that will work as a for crude operations only, right?
Yes, sir.
Read only, update, MBLNR, MGHNR, JDILE, create, update, delete. This all system generated thing only here.
So this one we should write, sir. This particular this line. This
Mm-hmm.
what we are
Delete.
doing here particularly is we are enabling that our primary keys are we can enter the value, but after once created we cannot update the value of primary keys.
Correct.
This
So
read
this
only
all
line.
three fields are part of primary key fields in your table.
Yes, sir. As three are primary key fields.
If it is only one primary key field, then it should be that field only. All the fields of the primary key.
Mm. Remaining fields we can update, but the primary
Put
key
that
fields
comment
once
also.
we will create.
Tarun, you will be reference.
Sure.
Keep that comment that there
Uh,
in that line. Instead of what we do is let mention in this way. Here must to give the primary key fields like that you put right here, 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 here it is must to provide primary key fields of the table. There here it is must to give the primary fields of the table.
These three are operations.
Anyway, this is operation, not anyone knows. That first line, unique queue is there, right? That we are not sure, right? What is the purpose of that unique queue? That first line, unmanaged implementation class unique queue.
Yes, sir. I don't know. I don't know about that. I'll check, sir. I will check.
Mhm.
Sir, in this implementation class, we will write the logic.
Mhm.
Mm.
You're under the local types, right?
So this is the class already created by itself, by the RFP framework itself. Here we will write the what are the operations should be performed based upon the create, read,
One
update,
second,
and
hold on,
create.
1 minute.
Yes, sir.
So here, IT
Mm.
underscore AUFM type table of your custom table.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this IT underscore AUFM corresponding entities will come from the screen, from the front end UI
Yes,
values.
sir. Here we can see, sir, that we are in per create, we'll get that entities.
Mm. So this structure created by automatically by system, right? These method parameters.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We have not created
So what
anything.
happens is if we don't provide, if we are providing that primary key generation,
Mm.
RAP itself in the transactional buffer will not enter into that early numbering and late numbering. So
Mm.
it will acts as some temporary ID first to get the data. When we click on the save button, it finally
Mm.
push the data into the registration table, sir.
Mhm. So 1 second, this one insert from table. All of you know, right? Why after insert from table at the red symbol we are giving here. Are you getting this one?
Yes, sir.
Right? Because that is not part of the database statement. Host
Yes.
variable we are giving here.
Mm.
And that line number IT underscore AUFM equal to corresponding hash. Right?
Entities. So these entities will have some extra fields, sir, like it will have like the final key ID and temporary ID. It will generate automatically based upon the key generation. So we are only giving that corresponding values which you are there in entities. So ITA AUFM is my type is of my table type, right here.
Correct. Already
So
correct.
the corresponding values only will get
Do
into this
one
ID.
thing. Let us put a breakpoint in the create button, create method, insert, update, modify, delete. Put a breakpoint in all the places. One breakpoint for each method. There next line.
Cannot
Because that's
create a
no, that's a declaration statement.
yes.
Go down. Put the breakpoint in the first line only after declaration part. Line number we don't see here. Huh? Line numbers.
We cannot see line numbers. That's the issue here.
But while debugging, you can see. I think while you are debugging, the runtime. All 4 minutes you put the breakpoint. Huh?
No, yes, sir.
No read operation will get right.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Trigger
sir.
or not? No read operation.
Sir, it should trigger, sir. It's not triggering.
Read operation కి ట్రిగర్ అవ్వదు సార్.
Trigger is not, it will not trigger. Huh?
నో సార్, రీడ్ ఆపరేషన్ కి ఆటోమేటిక్ గా బిహేవియర్ డెఫినేషన్ అనేది పుష్ చేస్తుంది సార్.
It should trigger also, right? So go
No,
to the
sir.
read operation. What we have done the code? Code we have not written for read operation.
I have
Read
written, sir. I
operation
have
we
written.
have not written code. Huh? Go to the code.
Sir, here.
We have not put a breakpoint. We have put breakpoint. Huh?
This is the breakpoint. So let's check for another one. Material document. Sir, it's triggered, sir. Here.
Trigger, right? No, it's trigger.
The current now here is our control. You can see here.
Now click that entities. What are the values of entity? We'll see. Double click that.
Sir, see here we have something like underscore percentile CID
More fields.
and percentage control. These are some extra fields apart from our table type, our structure of my table.
Correct.
So
That's
to
why you are using
replicate these
corresponding
two,
statement.
so that's why I'm using the corresponding statement here.
We'll write that comment. I think you can edit now also directly. I will tell you. You can edit the code. Not edit code. Comment, you write the code. Comment there. There only. You know, all of you, this is one feature in the Eclipse, not in the GUI. In debugger, you cannot change the code. Here you can change the code also. In the runtime of program. This is the interview question.
ఎస్ సార్.
So here we cannot like write the comment, I think so, in the class.
What do you say?
So
Goose slash star.
even though it's not working,
Is it sure?
maybe we
Double
can't
quotes
write in the
you.
debugger. Maybe we got the debugger mode. Sir. Okay,
Debugger, actually, we can edit the code. It is doing right. Let's see what other will get it. Anyway, you are able to type, right? Type it. So entities will have extra fields. Extra fields. Hence, we are using corresponding keyword. Hence, oh, correct, very good.
Here we are having error at the rate.
Anyway, it will not affect now this time. When you go back, you can activate this. Now execute F8. Or that button is there. There is one button F8 here. Below search. Oh, there. Click that button. Output will come.
Terminated. It created.
Get it. Now the new code will be available. What your commentary have written, right? Good that.
Sir, here the problem when we enter the debugger modes, we should always change the perspective, sir.
Oh, to get a web perspective should go.
Abab perspective, open perspective, other abab. Hmm.
Put that line comment.
Wait, sir, I will check here. So it's not behaving like comment here, sir.
Hmm.
So see the fields are in blue color sometimes. We should not come like that.
Tarun, double quotes use G.
Hmm.
Okay, now working.
It's working, sir. Double quotes is working in class.
Okay. This is for create, right? Next go to
Hmm.
update. Update and delete. Update.
Update, sir. Okay.
Put a breakpoint. We'll put a breakpoint first.
Hmm.
Already we have put a breakpoint, I think, right?
A breakpoint I have created a breakpoint over there, sir. No.
Update. Maybe change the material. You add one. Okay. Click on save. Now this value will come as to entities, I think.
Yes, sir. Here.
Now control is ls underscore entity, yeah?
In this one, sir.
So doubling that ls underscore entity in the right side, let's say data. Right? This is the what PL0D or new value. Latest value you can see here.
So this is my LS entity. See, sir.
Here we don't use, no need to use the
Corresponding.
corresponding. It is coming as, but still here also is coming, right? Like that only it is coming. See here.
Yes, sir. CID ఇక్కడ ఇది కూడా
Extra
ఉంటుంది,
fields
sir.
are coming, but I don't. We don't need that. Maybe mandatory.
అంటే సార్ ఇక్కడ వేరేలాగా హ్యాండిల్ చేస్తున్నాను సార్. అంటే ఇప్పుడు నార్మల్‌గా మెథడ్ అప్డేట్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఏవైతే ఫీల్డ్స్ డైరెక్ట్‌గా అప్డేట్ అవుతాయో అవి మాత్రం అప్డేట్ అవుతున్నాయి. మిగిలినవన్నీ ఎరేజ్ అయిపోతున్నాయి సార్ దాని నుంచి. అందుకనే నేను ఆ కంట్రోల్ స్ట్రక్చర్స్‌ని వాడి ఏవైతే ఫీల్డ్స్ మారాయో అవి మాత్రమే అప్డేట్ చేసి మిగిలినవన్నీ ఇంటాక్ట్‌గా ఉంచడానికి ఇవి వాడుతున్నాను సార్. అందుకని ఆ సీఐడీ అవి తీయలేదు సార్. చూడండి ఇక్కడ కంట్రోల్ ఉంది చూసారా? అవి అట్లా.
So here what we are doing that data ls db equal to value of JDAUFM 38 underscore F9. What that ls underscore db we are creating a structure.
Yes, sir.
What area you are creating? ls underscore db.
Yes, sir. So this
Right?
what we have entered in the particular the record data will be coming into this LSDB.
Is it? No, right? No. Because JDAF is the table, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you are creating only one structure type. Structure only.
Structure.
ls underscore db is a structure.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So and ls underscore db, that select statement will bring one record based on the whatever the value we have edited based on the primary key. You are fetching that record to modify it.
Yes, sir.
And then you are checking here is not same thing.
If it is not, sir, if it's not
Actually,
the same
not
thing, we are
required.
updating.
You can directly overwrite. Actually speaking,
Sure.
you can directly overwrite that record as it is. Even select statement also maybe not mandatory. So
Okay.
whatever the record, because see, whenever you are, this is what operation? Modify or
Update.
Update operation. Anyway,
Sure.
with the primary key fields, you don't modify. There is there by default. Okay, you are modifying the remaining fields.
Yes, sir.
So all the primary key fields and whatever the modified fields will come automatically into the structure. This ls underscore entity.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
So directly that ls entity is compatible. I don't think so directly compatible because you have two fields extra, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Two fields is extra. You cannot modify it directly. Okay.
Yes, sir. That's where. Mm,
Oh. So then you are updating that here in the update statement here.
yes,
Check
sir.
if there is any option to get the line numbers here. Can you try? Any option to get the line numbers?
Yes, sir. I will check once.
Because it's very easy, right? Otherwise, it's not so easy, right?
Yes, sir. It's hard to debug. We don't know which line it is.
Line numbers should be line numbers should be there.
Yes, general.
Line numbers. Let me ask check ChatGPT. Especially while teaching is very easy, right? If there is a line numbers.
Yes, sir. Window preferences. Canada. Preferences. Canada. Editors, text editors. Couldn't drop down.
Adapt.
Editor, text editors. Show line numbers. So here, show line numbers.
Yes, yes. Click on apply. Apply and close.
And close. Yes, sir. Now you can see the line numbers.
Okay, perfect. Good, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mm.
Let's
This
take
is for update. Update is update, right? Move on. Next, we'll go for modify. Modify.
sure. Sir,
Hmm.
modify. Sir, I have not written any modify. Modify method.
We are doing just now update, I think, right?
Sure.
Just now we have done update, right?
Still not, sir, still not completed the updated here. So the data is coming. Here we can see the data. It's the old data, PL01.
Hmm. You can write one line comment, only one line comment here. 55. 55.
55, sir.
Go to 55.
Yes, sir.
What you write there is there only. ls underscore entity hyphen bu data.
Alright.
ls underscore entity hyphen bu dat. is the value that has been captured.
If null, sir. If this one is null.
Hyphen bud, not underscore.
If is null.
No, after entity hyphen bud.
Okay.
After bud hyphen bud.
Yes, sir.
Is the value is the value is the value null the same. Remove that null. Is the value
value
remove that
minus
null
total.
with
Is with the value.
so is no not with is the value
The value
that has is the value that has is the value that has been
sir, మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి.
is the value that has come
Is the value తర్వాత that has come
from UI skill user interface from UI skill.
Yes, sir.
Not UI skill, only UI.
Sir, UI. Sorry.
Because
UI.
this will give more clarity, right, when you go through it.
Yes, sir. Updated. Yeah.
Right?
And we'll check or delete also, sir.
So v underscore is the key is the new variable we are creating here. Delete from database table where MBLN are equal to
Sir, in my keys, I have three. What we say? Three fields. MBLNR, MJHR. This
I think directly
data.
you can apply it. Delete from work area. Okay. Using v underscore key. Try. Put the comment line number 87. Don't delete. Put a comment.
Okay.
Put a comment. Right next line. Delete.
From.
What is that keys? Keys is the system variable. Sorry, internal table.
No, sir. Keys refers to the primary key fields. It has all the fields in our table.
No. What I'm saying is we are doing
Sir.
that loop at keys, right?
Yes, sir.
It must be internal table, right? Keys means internal table.
Yes, sir.
It will not be a chance of more than one record, right? We should not be any loop and all here. Go to the delete parameters. Go to the delete parameters of the delete method.
Tarun, is the key means set like an array of the MATNL values or the primary values? Because it is looking like that, like as in simple for loop, no, we are iterating through an array via the variable. So what is that? Is it an internal table or what?
That's what Saraswati Sai is saying, that keys is the internal table, and we are looping over it for each of my primary key. So I have basically three primary keys right here: MBLNR, MJHR, and ZDILE. I'm iterating through it and I'm getting one value at a time. Okay, here you can see.
We'll do one thing, Tarun.
Sir, sir.
Go to the method definition. We'll see the parameters. What is the
Yes, sir.
parameters?
ఇవ్వండి సార్ ఇక్కడ delete కి కీస్ ఉంటాయి చూడండి సార్ కీస్ సార్ అది టేబుల్ సార్ ఇవ్వండి సార్ స్టాండర్డ్ టేబుల్
Internal
అన్నది
table.
ఇంటర్నల్ టేబుల్
Okay. Okay. Let's go to that select delete statement.
here
Here, right? What do you do is delete
Where?
from. No need of where.
from
Delete. Wait 1 second. Delete from. Give that alternative keys v underscore key. Using, I think using. Go using keys keys. No, only keys keys. You can put a comment line number 85 and 89 both.
using keys
Let us put the comment between 85 and 89. Put a comment.
85 and 89 సార్ మొత్తం కామెంట్ చేయమంటారు సార్ మెథడ్
Only 85 line or 89 line. These 2 lines only.
85 line okay
And 89 also. No, that line whole statement put a comment.
ఎర్రర్ త్రో చేస్తాను సార్ ఇది ఇక్కడ
Do one thing. Put delete
Sure.
table name. Remove that from.
delete table
I think table keyword also not required. Just do delete table name.
and delete table name
Using table space table.
using
Table. After
Using
using
table.
before keys.
అర్థం కాలేదు
Table
సార్
table keyword table keyword.
TABLE
Check it. Correct
ఇక్కడ
only.
టేబుల్
No?
ఇక్కడ టేబుల్ దగ్గర ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది సార్
Let's check that delete statement. Delete
ఇక్కడ
syntax. Go to delete syntax.
ఒక నిమిషం సార్ ఇక్కడ చూపిస్తుంది టేబుల్ ఈజ్ ఇన్వాలిడ్ హియర్ అంట సార్ ఆగండి సార్ దీన్ని అడుగుతాను
Remove that table statement. Otherwise, only we delete table name using.
టేబుల్ తీసేస్తుంటే కీస్ దగ్గర ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది ఒక నిమిషం సార్ జీపీని అడుగుతాను మీకు
Delete from table.
delete this from table ఇది
Table.
డేటా అంటుంది సార్ డేటా యాజ్ రికార్డ్స్ టు డిలీట్ ఇది రికార్డ్ అంట సార్ చూడండి ఇక్కడ
Correct.
Assume
More than one
data
recorded. Correct.
కానీ అట్లా కాదు కదా సార్ మన సింగిల్ రికార్డ్ కదా సార్ ఆ రికార్డ్ దేంట్లోకి వస్తుంది సార్ మన దగ్గర ఏం
But anyway, it is internal table. That's why we are using.
డైరెక్ట్ గా అట్లా రాసామంటారా
Let's try. Delete from.
యూజింగ్ ఫ్రమ్
Go that syntax. Delete. Second one. Delete
This one,
database table from table your internal table. Okay, na?
From
Table.
ఇప్పుడు టేబుల్ దగ్గర ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది ద టైప్ ఆఫ్ రో కీస్ కెనాట్ బి కన్వర్టెడ్ ఇంటూ దిస్ కీ పార్ట్ సార్ ఇది కీస్ అనేది జస్ట్ మన ప్రైమరీ కీస్ ని హోల్డ్ చేస్తుంది అప్పుడు దీని మొత్తానికి చేయలేదేమో సార్
Because it will become not compatible, right?
Not compatible.
I think is correct. One bit. What is done is delete that from work area. What was the earlier statement there?
Delete from our delete table. Table name, table, internal table. Delete our table name.
Write that again. Repeat the code what you have written earlier. You can put 87. Put a comment. Don't delete. It's correct. Wait. It's correct only now.
No, sir, it's throwing an error. It's my old code. Delete my table name here.
One second, Tarun. 87 correct, right? Now what you have written earlier only the same thing, right? 87
Ah,
line.
sir, 87, sir, 87 na path code, sir.
Unchu. Let's keep correct only what you said. I'm saying that keep that only. Keep it like that only now. So that this is going to put a breakpoint there. Line number 87.
బ్రేక్ పాయింట్ ఇక్కడే ఉంది సార్ చూడండి ఇక్కడ 85 దగ్గర ఉంది రన్
Yes.
చేస్తాను
Yeah, okay. Activate
చూడండి
now.
86 దగ్గర
Yes.
ఉంది నాది
Let us activate now. We are already in debugger, huh?
డీబగ్గర్ సార్
Okay. Wait, one second.
సో లెట్స్ మీ కంప్లీట్ దిస్ డీబగ్గర్ అండ్ కమ్ టు దిస్ పర్టికులర్ క్లాస్
Better.
terminated deleted sir once wait sir I will quickly come into a perspective open perspective yes sir ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి సార్
So 1 minute. I'm just trying to understood the line number 87 what we have written. Okay. See what we have written in 87 is we are trying to delete a record from that standard custom table 838 where MBLNR is the primary key. V underscore key hyphen MBLNR is from UI. User
yes
input
sir
value will come.
UI
And MJHR auto user input value. ZGHAIL auto user input. Based on that key, you are deleting the record actually. You are passing the delete key actually,
yes sir
primary key.
yes sir
You
yes
write that comments there.
okay sir
You write like keys is the internal table. 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 Which is populated from UI skin. Populated from the UI skin. It
Sir.
contains all the primary key fields data, not the field names data. It contains all primary key fields data.
yes sir
If you want to connect because to delete a record from the database table,
you need primary keys
we need primary key or index. Anything is you can do. No, sir, not index because there is not an internal table, right? It is must to give the primary key.
yes sir
Write that point also. Point number 87. To delete record from the
sir to
database
delete
table. To delete the record from the database table. To delete the record from the database table. It is must to specify the primary key. It is must to specify the primary key. Right? Make more clear, right? Let's now go to update. I think, sorry, modify. Update we have done. Go to the update. Already breakpoint is the line number 40, right?
సార్ నెక్స్ట్ దానికి వెళ్దామా? ఇది
Go to for the update.
అప్డేట్
Put a breakpoint at update. Sorry, modify.
మోడిఫై సార్.
Update we have done, right? Already.
సార్ మోడిఫై లేదు సార్, అసలు మెథడే లేదు. ఓన్లీ క్రియేట్, అప్డేట్, డిలీట్, రీడ్ అండ్ లాక్ అంతే. ఇదిగోండి సార్, ఇక్కడ మెథడ్స్ ప్రొవైడ్ అయిన చూస్తారా, దీంట్లో మోడిఫై అనడానికి మెథడ్ లేదు.
Modify concept is not there, huh? Modify from the program, you know, right? All of you, what the purpose of difference between modify and update?
సార్ అప్డేట్ మోడిఫై ఒకటే చేస్తుంది సార్,
Here, huh?
ఫంక్షనాలిటీ ఒకటే ఉంటుంది సార్. ఏమంటే మోడిఫై మన డేటా లేకపోతే కొత్తది క్రియేట్ చేస్తుంది అంతే సార్.
In update also do that same thing, huh?
నో సార్, ఓన్లీ అప్డేట్ అనేది చెక్ చేస్తుంది మన డేటా ఉందే లేదు, చెక్ చేసి దాన్ని మోడిఫై చేస్తుంది అంతే, అప్డేట్ చేస్తుంది.
Okay, then in that case, modify concept is not there here. It
ఎస్
will
సార్,
not insert the new record.
ఎస్
If
సార్,
the record is not available, so it won't insert the new record, right? But that's
Yes,
the
sir.
concept actually. Modify is, if the record is not available, it works as insert statement. Insert. When you are directly applying these statements, right, in the custom table, insert, modify, update, delete. Modify, it works if there is a record, it works as a update. If there is no record existing with that primary key, it works as a insert statement. Maybe that is not, feature is not available in the screen flow. This is screen flow, right? Through the UI flow. Okay.
ఎస్ సార్.
Go to that code once again. That
Yes, sir.
methods code.
సార్ హియర్ సార్ మెథడ్స్.
No, we are not seeing your screen.
Wait, maybe my. Oh, sorry. Sir, can you see, sir, now?
What is this log that 19 to 21, 22?
19 to
22. Sorry,
22.
19 to 20. That method. What
Sir,
exactly this log object?
Sir, lock, implemented lock when you are updating any particular record.
Okay, done. Let's move on to the next one.
Next
Batty
one.
one.
Bapi. Okay, sir. Bapi.
See, what I do is I'll do a 3:30. I can give a small break. We'll continue. After 4 hours, I'm okay today. No problem.
Okay,
if you want, I give after 20 minutes. I'll give a small break. Then we will continue. Go to the back one.
So this has some mandatory fields for BAPI to create or material data. So I have taken the fields which I want to have some like mandatory one.
To create a new material, right?
This is a root view entity, then my consumption class.
After root view entity, what is the next step we have done?
Next, so we have created a projection view.
Projection
we are creating.
Keep the same fields, will not change anything here, right? Projection right?
Yes,
Sir, here I had a doubt because
Yes.
in case of projection, it means its role is to select only some fields which we want. Like in case my table is having 12 or 13 fields, but in the current scenario, I want just 4 fields. So then we will be using projection, But here we are having 5 fields or 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 or 7 fields, and in projection we are using 6 and 7 fields. So we can just ignore that step also, no? Will it work with that projection?
It will work. See, also to correct your sentence, though, it is not table. fields. With the view entity fields, what we have taken already in the previous step. Based on the view
Yeah.
entity fields, right? Go to that view entity, root view entity. Tarun?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The root view entity.
In this, based on these fields. Suppose if you are using all the fields in UI and your UI, right? You don't need a projection view. Am I correct? Anyone can correct me if I am wrong. Suppose here how many fields are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? If the 6 fields you are projecting in the UI screen,
Yes.
you don't need a projection view, right? Is it correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Yeah. So that's what I was asking for.
But generally, we will having some extra fields like hours change at local change at local time, and we have some that extra fields in our should be there in our table, but we are ignoring those extra fields. So we are directly projecting to projection view. Normally, in my root view, last change rate, local time, local system time, something. The 4 5 fields should be there extra in my root view entity. In my projection, only the required field for user. What are
Perfect.
the fields
Perfect.
required for user that
Perfect.
will
Very
be
good.
projected.
Very
In
good.
this case, we are not writing that extra fields, right? So
Correct.
I
Correct.
also
Correct.
created the projection view.
Is a better
Yes,
practice also, I think, maybe the
yes,
projection.
sir. Yes, it's a better, best practice to create a projection view.
Next, go to the next step. Metadata, right?
Behavior definition. The metadata also same, sir. Same like
Say no
previous one.
change, right?
No change. What?
Next, go to behavior definition.
Yes, sir. Behavior definition. This is also unmanaged scenario, right?
Mm-hmm.
Mm, My logic will be in this particular class. So here in method create. So I am also created another table,
Mm.
so with the same fields.
Mm.
So sir, in generally BAPI method should be written only in method save in the saver class in the
Mm.
implementation.
Mm.
It should not write in inside this create block.
Mm.
So to
Mm.
pop on in handler class only we will get the data sir from the UI,
Oh, is
not
it?
in saver class.
You
So
can
I'm
write that
populating
point
the
somewhere.
data into
Tarun, 1 minute.
sir
Write that point. Comment here. You write here line number 36. 36, what you write here is,
correct. Mm.
we cannot call the BAPI here. We cannot call the BAPI here to post the data. Here
We
the
should
BAPI is to
not.
post the
We,
data.
no, sir, we should not call the puppy. If we call that, it will give that behavioral legal statement of rollback error.
Mhm. We should not call the BAPI in the handler class. This is the handler class, huh?
Yes, sir. This is my handler class.
But this
Yes, sir.
custom table also, it will be extra, right? So instead of that,
Mm,
so we cannot hold this one in the internal table here and use it in other method, no? This entities internal table will not be having the method where you are written the code for the BAPI, yeah? This entities internal table. You don't find that in the other method?
నో సార్ సార్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి సార్ ఎన్నిటీస్ ఉందా సార్ ఇక్కడ
Mm.
ఇది జస్ట్ ఈ హ్యాండర్ క్లాస్ మాత్రమే సార్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ హ్యాండర్ క్లాస్
Mm.
ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది క్లాస్ ఇవ్వండి హ్యాండ్లర్ క్లాస్ వరకు ఇది దీని
Mm.
కింద సేవర్ క్లాస్ ఇంకోటి ఉంటుంది సార్ ఇవ్వండి సార్ ఇక్కడ సేవర్ క్లాస్
Mm. Mm.
ఈ సేవర్ క్లాస్ లో మనకి ఎటువంటి ఎంటిటీస్ రావు సార్ ఇంపోర్టింగ్ పారామీటర్స్ ఏమి ఉండవు కాబట్టి దాని నుంచి మనం డేటా అనేది పాపులేట్ చేస్తున్నాం సార్. అది
So you are holding temporarily into the custom table.
అది కూడా ఇక్కడ చూడండి సార్. ఇది నా హ్యాండల్ క్లాస్. నా హ్యాండల్ క్లాస్ నుంచి నేను ఎక్కడైతే సేవ్ చేసిన డేటా ఆ డేటాని ఇక్కడ నేను పాస్ చేస్తున్నా. ఇదిగోండి సార్. హియర్ పర్టికులర్ దిస్ పాయింట్. ఇక్కడ ఏవైతే డేటా వచ్చినాయో నేను దాన్ని లూప్ చేసి మళ్ళీ నా యొక్క ఇక్కడ ఇంకోటి క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నాను సార్. ఇది
What
జీటీ
is the
క్రియేట్
append
మెథడ్.
value? Is the statement to insert the data into the table, custom table?
నో
Append
సార్.
value.
అది కాదు సార్. ఇది అపెండ్ వాల్యూ సేమ్ at the same while inserting into the table, it will also insert into this particular GT create, sir. So I will access the GT create in the saver class using this my handle class. So ఇది అది static method లా పనిచేస్తుంది సార్. It will access static method. So here this is my class and this is my static method. In this GT create I will have the data. I am looping into this ls create. Then if it is empty, this is a performance check. If it's empty, what the field, what the message it should display, they have written over there. And passing, sir, MATNR, industrial sector, material type, unit of measurement, material group, and same as how
Okay.
we did
So maybe better is
material saved data in GUI. That's it, sir. Yes,
better is
sir.
put two
Sir.
breakpoints. One is in the create, other one is the BAPI method, that saver method. Both put one breakpoint. Let's debug from the EUI. Post the data from EUI first.
Tarun, so what was the reason that you are not using the BAPI exactly here? So if I'm not correct, you are means first when the crowd operation is being used, like for let's say create. So for this instance, you are just taking the values which we have to exactly apply in that Mara table, but storing it into a buffer table or any temporary table which you are having in the memory. And then in external some class, you are calling that table and then storing via BAPI. Is it the full flow or is it something else?
Not exactly. See, what happens is whenever I implement a BAPI in wrap unmanned scenario, the BAPI method should be implemented in the saver class, not in the handler class. So what happens here is only my handler class will get the data from the UI, not the saver class. Saver class, right? Here, well, I'm also taking another field called GT create. Let's see here at this point, cut it here. Append value. This is my table name to GT create here. Okay. Then in my saver class, I'm handling that particular as static method and I'm looping over it into work area. And here I'm passing those MATNR, the industrial sector, and the material type, the required fields which we want to create a BAPI material. I'm passing over here, just like that. That's it. If I pass this BAPI directly into the handler class, it will throws behavior illegal statement because create in create the LUW buffer implicitly calls that rollback or commit work statement, but it should not call like that. So saver class should handle that all the implementations of BAPI. So I have implemented over in saver class. That's it.
Okay, so oh,
Two breakpoints we have put, right, already?
Sir?
Two breakpoints we have put already. We have set, right, already.
Yes, sir. Breakpoints are set.
Now click on create.
Sir, here the breakpoint was triggered.
Go to there.
So currently my line of control at line number 37.
1 second. Hold on. 1 minute. Here. Mm, What I'm not understanding here, line number 38, right? What is
Sir,
that 38 will do? Append value Z1225 underscore Mara underscore wrap. What that will do? That is creating a record into the standard table or what? Custom table.
sir, this
I mean,
append value is my table, sir. My table which I have created for this wrap BAPI. So the values get inserted into this uh, table first, and as well as to this to GT create you have written, right? To this also.
What is the GT create internal table? Huh?
No, sir, it's not a
Internal table. It's internal
yes, sir.
table.
Yes, sir, it's internal type.
One more point. Note down all of you. Very important here. If you observe here, the standard internal table, right? By
Yes, sir,
default,
standard.
system will not support any sorted and hash internal tables here. That's why standard tables
Yes,
are
sir.
very ultimate concept. Always.
Mm, mm,
This I read in one of the documents.
mm,
Just only 1 minute. This
sir.
GT underscore create, we are creating dynamically,
Mm,
or it is created already. GT underscore create. Do you declare anywhere
yeah,
this one?
sir, that GT here, sir, I have created here, right?
You create. Okay. Done.
Mm,
This is internal table. Yes. And
yes,
now
yes.
click on single step here. Single step.
No, sir, I have calculated that
Control is nowhere. Which line?
37.
should be.
Now execute line number 37. No? Single step.
Yes, sir. Uh, mm,
Now hold on 1 minute.
line up control. Uh,
Where is the control now? Line number 38. Right?
yes, sir. Mm,
Uh, here you double click the GT underscore create. No, nothing is empty as of now. Right? Press the single step.
yes, sir. Here you can see. Zero.
Single step. You can click on single step now.
Sir, here
Now one
you
record
can
has
see the
come.
data is
That record has come to
here.
your internal table. Now GT underscore create
Here
here.
also. Yes, sir.
So what is that
Mm,
line number 47, 48 we are doing here?
here, sir. The 47 and
Hmm.
48.
Hmm.
Sir, here my M18R is my primary key, right? So
Hmm.
this is my interface view, sir. This is my interface view.
Hmm.
Mm? So what I
Hmm.
am doing is I am mapping my particular M18R to
Hmm.
interface view
Hmm.
so that I can here. Sir, wait, I will show where I'm using that particular one. Sir, see here you can see. If any error comes, it should report directly to my interface view. It should not directly show the dump error. Instead of showing the dump, I am saying that give me an error with respect to of interface view.
Oh, is it?
That's why I'm using this particular statement, sir. Here,
Hmm.
47 to 48. If the data
Otherwise,
is
not
correctly
mandatory.
entered, sir, the data is currently entered,
Hmm.
data will be inserted. If there is error, it will report an error with respect to the interface view or what the error comes.
Hmm. So that is the purpose of this mapped to mapped.
Sir, not exactly, sir. మొత్తం అదే చెప్పలేం కానీ somewhat
Hmm.
up to some extent.
Hmm. So let's see. Maybe if it's not required, we can put a comment. Just I mean to check the functionality. Yeah. Okay. Next, where is the control?
49.
49. Right. Next,
Mm.
only one time only this loop will execute. Right.
Yes, sir. So now the mm,
Only one time. One time only. Right. Anyway.
mm, mm.
Next, go to where is the next control? It went to where now?
So
Saver
the
class.
control 37 లోనే ఉంది సార్ ఇక్కడ నేను ఇది నొక్కాలనుకుంటా
Give F8, you click F8, it will go to next breakpoint.
Yes, sir. Currently, my line of contact 109, saver class.
Save a class here. So in the saver class, 1 second, what we are trying to put here, loop at lsc underscore zi underscore mora. What is that lsc underscore zi underscore class name, right?
Yes, sir.
Local class, sir.
Class name, and then
And
gt underscore create is the
Internal table.
internal table.
internal
Oh,
table.
class with internal table we are looping.
Yes, sir. It will behave like internal table like.
Now we
Data.
put here ls underscore create is the work area.
Sir.
Work area.
ls underscore create is a work area now. So now this ls underscore create comes have all the information what has been entered by the user on the US key. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can see. Still not executed, right? If once executed, the data will become executed.
Then line number 1132, 124,
Sir.
you are checking the not initial, not to, because these are the mandatory field values. You are checking if it is a not initial, then you are giving the error message to, you are passing this
If
one
they are
same thing
initial,
as a.
if they are initial, I'm giving message, sir. If they're empty.
And then what is that if underscore abf underscore behavior message interface name? CBRT 121.
This one class, sir. Standard class.
Interface could be, not class. Interface.
Class అనుకుంటా సార్ ఇది.
No. Interface.
Interface.
IF will start with interface. IF means interface only. Standard interface.
Yes, sir. Interface on this.
Interface and sir.
Interface and severity. Severity, the method. Class. Severity is the class, I think. Severity is the class. Error is the method. That is a tilt symbol, right? Element 121 is tilt symbol, right? Before error.
120.
121, no? Before the error word, keyword, that symbol is tilt, right? Is it tilt?
Tilt
What is that
కాదు సార్
symbol?
అది. Hyphen.
Hyphen. Okay. Then severity hyphen error. Okay, slightly. Anyway, this step is for you adding the error for the mandatory fields if not entered in the US key.
Yes, sir.
Next, go to next line. Execute. I mean F6.
Currently my line control at 132.
Currently is the control now 132. So 132 is
sir.
Okay, V underscore header. Change this naming signs. All of you don't keep it V underscore header and all. Give W underscore HD. V is for variables.
Okay, sir.
Okay, no? Because this is header data, right? You can give W underscore header HD.
Okay, sir.
134 and all. You are passing like how you SC38 you pass these steps.
Yes, sir. Same like I see that.
Same like what you pass this. Go down
Same
a little bit here. Down. Here. 1 second. And you are passing that two internal tables, right? One internal table only. V underscore SD is the internal table or work area.
HD, sir.
LT disk is the internal table, right? Okay, this internal 158 and 159 is the work area. 152, 153, 154 is the work area.
Right? Work area. The 3 are work areas.
And V underscore return is the internal table, internal table. Okay, go down. Give F6 here. F6. Hold on 1 minute here. Now, this step is going to create a new material in the system. Data posting. All of you, maybe you can remember this terminology. This web will post the data. Post means? What is the meaning of post?
Insert the data into the table.
Insert the data into database tables. Okay, now click on F6.
టర్మినేట్ అయిపోయింది సార్ అది ఎర్రర్ వచ్చింది అనుకుంటే ఏదో ఒకసారి చూస్తాం
Is it?
Error వచ్చింది ఏదో. ఓ.
Illegal system statement.
ఒక్కసారి సార్ చూస్తున్నాను. నెట్వర్క్. రోల్ బ్యాక్ వర్క్. Execution takes when the transaction context of BO is active. Statement rollback is there for forbidden in case of statement message. Which is also among the
1 minute, hold on. No? Any one of you know what is the T code of this transaction, this error? All of you. This is a question
ST22.
they will ask. ST22, correct. Runtime error. What it's saying?
It's saying that rollback work is not allowed in the statement, but have not passed any rollback, sir. So sometimes it is working, so sometimes it is throwing this rollback error. It's showing the call function in update task, call function in background task, perform on commit and rollback are not allowed outside the save method. Should use maybe have rollback. Rollback command. Sir,
Hello? Hello? What is that? Hello?
సార్
బ్రేక్ తీసుకున్నారా?
బ్రేక్ అనుకున్నాం సార్, నాకేం తెలుసు సార్, అది ఎర్ర వచ్చింది సార్, సైలెంట్ ఉన్నారు ఏంటి, బ్రేక్ ఏమో అని బ్రేక్ అనుకున్నాను సార్, లేకపోతే స్క్రీన్ షేర్ రాదు అని కాదు సార్. అది ఎర్ర వస్తుంది కదా సార్, అది రికార్డ్ అని ఇదిగోండి చూపిస్తారు, ఇదిగోండి సార్. ఇక్కడ నేను అది చూశాను సార్, ఏమంటున్నారంటే నార్మల్ గా మనం క్లాస్ లో బాపీ కమిట్ గాని బాపీ రోల్ బ్యాక్ రాకపోయిన స్టేట్మెంట్ ఇంటర్నల్ గా బాపీ అనేది అది కాల్ చేసేదండి సార్, రోల్ బ్యాక్ గాని కమిట్ గాని ఇంటర్నల్ గా బాపీ. అది ర్యాప్ లో అలా కాల్ చేయకూడదు సార్, ఎందుకంటే ర్యాప్ LUW లాజిక్ యూనిట్ ఆఫ్ వర్క్ కే కాల్ చేయాలండి సార్, ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ కమిట్ గాని రోల్ బ్యాక్ కానీ ఎక్స్ప్లిసిట్ గా వేరేది కాల్ చేస్తే ఇది బిహేవియర్ ఇల్లీగల్ స్టేట్మెంట్ త్రూ చేస్తుంది.
But
సో
we are not written that, right? Commit and
సార్
commit.
మనం
We are not
రాయలేదు సార్,
written.
రాగిపోయినా కానీ బాపీ కాల్ చేస్తుందండి సార్ ఇంటర్నల్ గా. సో దానికి వేరే ఆల్టర్నేటివ్ ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ ఉంది, ఈ బాపీ దాంట్లో డెస్టినేషన్ అనేది నన్ను పెట్టుకోవాలండి సార్.
Your screen is not showing. You can share screen.
ఓ సారీ సారీ. సార్ ఇక్కడ ఆ మెథడ్ కాల్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఆ డెస్టినేషన్ నన్ను పెడితే అప్పుడు ఆ ఎర్రర్ అనేది రావట్లేదు సార్, ఇంకా క్రియేట్ చేసాను
Let's create one
వర్క్
more.
అవుతుంది, ఇంకోసారి సార్ ఇంకోసారి వర్క్ అవుతుంది చూ.
Oh, no created, huh? Check it in Mara table.
క్రియేట్ అయింది ఇక్కడ.
Go to Mara table, check it.
చెక్ సార్, నా ఇంటర్నెట్
Oh.
కొద్దిగా స్లో సార్, అందుకని ల్యాగ్. ఇదిగోండి సార్, తరుణ్ 1227.
Yes.
ఇదిగోండి సార్, క్రియేట్ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ మెటీరియల్ ఫర్ తరుణ్ అని ఇంకా మనం క్రియేట్ చేసాం.
Then write this comment there in that BAPI calling destination, why we are giving that.
ఓకే
And
సార్,
this
ఓకే.
is a perfect example. If somebody knows that, they can ask this question now, and you can try to explain this question, this concept clearly to evaluator. See, whenever we are strong, right, we should explain that. This is definite 100% interview question. In outside also.
ఎస్ సార్.
What you write here is, if you don't,
Sure.
here if you don't write destination none, BAPI internally calls the, 1 minute, calls the,
1 minute. Bapi internal will call the rollback or commit, sir,
commit or
which is
rollback, which is not allowed by RAP.
allowed by RAP logic unit of work, LUW.
That's good, very good. Go to next step after calling the BAPI. What is the next step? Go to the before in the code only.
So this is for error handling again, and after inserting, I will inserting from the table into my table also. After inserting into the Mara table, I am inserting into my custom table.
So this Go a little bit up.
Sir, here.
That go here. After BAPI material save data, go back down,
Hmm.
and all errors. So we are trying to handle this error. Low but lead into append value of error message, and then you are reporting to the custom table. This one, right? This top. Go down
Yes.
after end loop. Okay, for your custom table. That's all right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
That's it.
So any idea what is the purpose of this cleanup and other methods? Go down here.
This one, sir.
That cleanup and cleanup finalize.
Fine. No, sir.
Any idea
No. No, sir. No, sir.
what is the purpose of these methods?
Don't know, sir, but I will check.
Just check it also. I think that written you go a little bit up. Here go up.
Sir.
Go to the beginning of the code. Beginning of the code here.
Beginning, sir.
Here only. Wait 1 second. Method
Oh.
save. Write the code method save. Line number 99, write the comment.
99.
There write the comments. The below code will get the data from UI.
We'll insert the data.
No, first we'll get and then insert, right?
Will I get the data
We'll get the data from UI.
handler class.
From handler class.
Handler class. Then it insert
Insert the
the
data
data
using the BAPI.
into Mara table using
BAPI. Go a little bit down here. Write a comment for line number 109. What we are doing there. Write a comment for that.
Yes, sir.
109. This LSC underscore JDI underscore Mora underscore S59 is the handler class, right?
Yes, sir. Here. Yes, sir. Here. You can see. Handler class.
Handler class, and that is the method what you have written there. This GT underscore create is the method, right?
Internal table.
Yeah. Internal table.
సరే ఒకవేళ అది ఇంటర్నల్ టేబుల్ అయితే కూడా మనం ఇలాగా క్లాస్ తో కాల్ చేస్తాము సార్.
This is, of course, it could be internal table only, no doubt, because looping means you are looping of the internal table only. Only the way it's slightly complex is the way we are handling this one, right? With the class name, with the class name you are writing GT underscore create looking like as a method actually.
Yes, sir. I thought first it was yes, sir. It looked like a method.
Method is like a method. Into data. LS underscore create is the work area. You
Yes, sir.
write that point. LS underscore create is the work area. Even earlier you also understood if maybe they might not be having the idea.
I will change it to work area only, sir. LS instead of LS.
You can write.
I will change the naming convention. Okay, sir.
No. Go up. What I'm saying is there. You write a comment there, line number 110. So LS underscore creator is the work area.
Okay.
With the work area, that will get the data from GT underscore create internal table. Which we have updated internal table, which we have updated in the handler class ZA underscore Mora underscore S59. Right? Better, right? And line number 112. 112 is right there.
112. Okay.
You can write here 112 creating, checking the primary key fields, so data mandatory entered or not.
Mandatory.
So we cannot make it by default, it won't become mandatory in the UI scheme. All primary keys will become UI. It will become by default, it is not mandatory.
Sir,
Well,
M18 is mandatory, but you're also checking that material type and industry sector also, sir.
by default, only
That
primary
is
key fields
that
will be mandatory.
sir in BAPI material save data, this entire structure is not an optional one. You should pass the data.
Correct. That is correct.
So that's why I'm material type and industry sector. Also checking, not be initial.
Okay. Actually, this is no right break time. Okay, na? Small break.
Sir?
So now we'll take a break.
Break.
I'll stop
Okay.
the recording.
Okay, sir.
I'll stop recording 1 minute.